Good morning, guys. It's Lance Wild Wild West here. It's a good morning. It's a nice Monday day. Um, I want to talk to you about some things. 2 days ago, I had lost my dog, and it was heartbreaking to me. And so now, I have no dog now. She died either from parvo or something else that she had, you know. But it's kind of sad without her. Um, so I only have my cat and my dog. My well, it's all of our dog. But I wanted to have my own dog that I could actually take a walk with, take her for a ride with me in the car. But that's not gonna happen now. So if I ever do get another dog, it's gonna be from a rescue animal shelter or whatever. But yeah. So that's enough of that. This morning my truck is actually gone now. Um, it's at the shop, and we're gonna find out if it's savable or not. The timing chain and the cylinder is no good, but it's not for me to depend on that. That's uh, up to the machinery of what it says. Um, and then if it's not fixable, then we are going to work on getting me a car from a private dealer. I was going to get one from OfferUp or Craigslist, but that's no, because a lot of these cars are coming from Florida from the flood. Um, so the other option is to get one from a private dealer, and my dad knows where to get one. Um, thing is, I cannot have a car, no, a dealer car in my name because I am on Social Security. If they find out, I'm going to be in some serious trouble. So, me and my dad were discussing this morning that he's had to put one in his name, and I'm going to have to pay for the insurance. That's fine with me. I am okay with it. Um, that's the only way we're going to have to do that. Um, Monday, I'm supposed to have a doctor's appointment for my shoulder. Not going to happen because I had no right to get down there. Um, Now, I'm having some serious problems with my knee. Uh, Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. My knee was doing just fine. And then all of a sudden, one day I couldn't walk. In the previous videos, when my wife was in the hospital, I couldn't walk. One day I was limping. I had a nurse help me get to the emergency room as fast as I could. They did an x-ray and they found potential fluids. Potential fluids is in the knee, and that causes problems between the meniscus and ACL. My ACL is okay. Um, I have some screws about this big in my knee, that big, real big, about the size of my finger. That's how long they are, top and bottom. That's holding the ACL in. Um, which is, I got my dog right here. Hey, there you are, Buds. Say hi, Bud. See, guys, that's uh, Chihuahua mixed with, I keep forgetting it. Uh, she's very sweet. We play with each other all the time. She misses her best friend. And, man, it's really windy out here, guys. Beautiful out here. The breeze blowing. Yeah. So, I've been looking around. Hopefully I can get a um, Toyota 4Runner or a the, because I do DJ. There we go. So thank you, DJ. Um, I've been an issue. So, lady called me this morning. My dog. Um, she offered me 200 from 1 o'clock to 10 o'clock at night. So that's not enough money. I got to at least charge $300. But I can't do it now, so it's okay. Now it's my wife. She's actually healing. Or stitches on her stomach and looking good. And yeah. So I wish I could turn this camera around there, but I can't. So a big old wish for my dog Daisy. Yeah, she's gone, guys. I took her to the vet Monday, and it was going to cost $405 to try to save her. But at the same time, I was trying to get the money. It was just too late for her. There's no time for saving. So it was going to be really hard for me to put her down. So, you know, she just died on her own. She was very sweet. If you go back to one of my videos I did, she was white. She was a Chihuahua Terrier. Very beautiful dog. Yeah, it's going to be very hard without her here. Here and there, I feel emotional without her, but, you know, I'm going to get through it, you know. Now, back to my truck being in the shop. Now, they picked it up about maybe 8:30 to 9 o'clock this morning. I went with my dad because he wanted to eat, but I just had me a soda and a salad, that's all. Now, the car that I'm looking for, I had to have a tail, you know, no more Fords, that's it. Ford is a piece of crap. Hate them without Ford stands for. F means found, O means on, R means road, D means dead. So, found on road, dead. So now, the Toyota that I'm looking for is either Sequoia V6, a 4Runner V6, or a truck. You don't know yet. We're going to be looking next month. Right? This month is not going to happen because my dad don't have the kind of money right now. I'm still in financial problems still. Working on getting my credit fixed. My credit score is still at in the fives. But I do gotta pay the lady, this company, next month. So that way I can, you know, so that way, this dog, so beautiful. Buzz. She's funny, guys. She's teasing me. Give me that ball. Straight here, guys. Watch. One got her. Hey, Buzz. Weird. She's beautiful. He's a cute kid. He's beautiful. that's her. So, just don't know what to say from this video. And on my street, they are repaving the streets. Oh my gosh. You quit it. Jumping on my legs. There he goes. See? She's funny. I quit my drinking. Well, not really. I haven't quit my drinking at all yet. But, I have stopped. For a while, I stopped. You know, that's what my wife says. Oh, you're being mean because you're mean and grouchy when you drink. No, it really does. You gave me this. You're mean to me. Same way back. You want to disrespect me? You're not going to get no respect out of me. You know? That's kind of how it works for me. So, sit here, drinking some just zero. It's really good. Let's have a beer. Just play with me, guys. See if I turn the video around. There she goes, guys. It's a beautiful day. You guys want to see what my wife drew? I'll show you. She drew this. That's my wife. She drew that. And then she did this one. That's beautiful. I tell you, no fighting. Okay, don't fight. Don't fight. Hey guys. They're giving me hugs now. So, enjoy the view, guys, of the last windy weather. Just a helicopter. So nice and windy, guys. Nice and windy. Beautiful day. Look at it, buttons.